office. Right.
And what is this?
This is basically the Grand Deluxe Skyline view. It's basically located on the upper floors of the hotels. And it comes with twin bedding configurations, and all of them are queen size.
So same skyline view.
This is also Skyline view, yeah. Basically all the Skyline floors are located basically on the upper floors of the hotel. And there is a slight difference as well in terms of prices. You actually hold the rooms as that, those jets as well on the shower.
Jets. And same box.
The same box, yes, it's gonna be on the right side, yeah. Exactly. That's a walk-in wardrobe as well as the bottle box.
Ah, that's hard.
It's very convenient, honestly.